to tell you about some corn mazes that I think would be an awesome value for your family. Let's start in the South. In the South, I think the best value that you can get for your money is Seavers. It's $15 per person. You can get coupons online, so that part's cool, like $1 off or $2 off. So I know it can get it can cost a lot. My family, that would be like 90 bucks. So I get that. But at the same time, you get a ton of stuff at Seavers and a 12-acre maze, and I really do think that's the best value. So I recommend Seavers for the South. If you are headed to the East, I recommend Afton Apples, the Afton Apple Orchard one, because it's got 3 other mazes plus all the fun of Afton Apple Orchard, and it costs somewhere between $7 and $9. Then, if you're gonna if you live on the west side of town, or you're gonna head over to the west side of town, I highly recommend Otsiko's Harvest Farm Corn Maze, I think is what it's called. It's on Highway 101. It's at the 101 Market, and they have a ton of options for you. You can do just the maze. You can do just the activities. The maze is $6. Just the activities is $7, and it's not all the activities. And then you can do the maze and some activities for $11, or the maze and all the activities for $15. So I really think that sounds like a lot of fun. And plus their maze, I don't remember how big it is, but it's based on like a fairy house, which, you know, it's super cute from up top, but you don't really see it when you're going through the maze. So it's cute, it's cool, but all of these two made these cool designs. Like Seavers has the firefighter, and I don't remember what Afton is, but they all have awesome designs, but you can't see them when you're in them. But anyway, it's still cool to think about. And then if you are headed north, I highly recommend Schaefer, the Schaefer's Corn Maze, because that one looks pretty cool. It is between $5.50 and $8.50, and you get a petting zoo, a rope maze, a human foosball, farm-style obstacle course, and a corn bag toss. So those are our recommendations, and if you have any comments, please let us know on Facebook or on Twitter or on Instagram. Take some pictures. #FFTC Corn Maze. That would be awesome.